Hi guys, welcome back to Global English with Adela. In today's lesson, I will be teaching about the causative verbs. በዛሬ ቪዲዮ ትምህርት ስለ causative verbs እንማራለን። What is the causative verb? A causative verb is a verb that causes someone or something to do something else. causative verb ማለት አንድ ነገር እንዲከናወን መንስኤ የሚሆኑ ግሶች ወይም ምን ይባላሉ? ምክንያታዊ ግሶች. In English, causative verbs. So causative verbs require double subjects in a sentence. በአንድ አረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ሁለት ሰብጀክት ይፈልጋሉ። ማን? causative verbs. causative verbs ካለ ሁለት ሰብጀክት አለ። For example, I clean my shoes. I clean my shoes. ጫማዬን አጸዳለሁ። ጫማዬን አጸዳለሁ። I have my shoes cleaned. ጫማዬን አጸዳለሁ። ጫማዬን አጸዳለሁ። እዚህ ጋር እኔ አይደለም ማጸዳው። So causative verb ምንድነው? እዚህ ጋር have ነው ማለት ነው። Let us get started with the first one. Present. I wash my clothes every day. I wash my clothes every day. ሁሌ ልብሴን አጥባለሁ። I have my clothes washed every day. In present continuous tense, በpresent continuous tense, I'm washing my clothes now. I'm washing my clothes now. አሁን ልብሴን እያጠብኩ ነው። I'm having my clothes washed now. I'm having my clothes washed now. አሁን ልብሴን እያሳጠብኩ ነው። In present perfect tense, በpresent perfect tense ወቅት I have already washed my clothes. ልብሴን ቀድሜ አጥቤያለሁ። I have had my clothes washed already. ልብሴን ቀድሜ አሳጥቤያለሁ። I've been washing my clothes for the last 1 hour. ለአንድ ሰዓት ያህል ልብሴን ሳጥብ ቆይቼ ጨርሻለሁ። I've been having my clothes washed for the last 1 hour. ለአንድ ሰዓት ያህል ልብሴን ሳጥብ ቆይቼ ጨርሻለሁ። Okay, now let us come back to the past tense. አሁን ደግሞ ወደ past tense ልውሰዳችሁና በpast tense ያለው causative verb ምን ያለ? I washed my clothes yesterday. ትናንት ልብሴን አጥቤ ነበር። ልብሴን አሳጥቤ ነበር። አሁን ደግሞ በfuture tense I will wash my clothes tomorrow. ነገ ልብሴን አጥባለሁ። ነገ ልብሴን አሳጥባለሁ። I will be washing my clothes tomorrow. ነገ ይሄን ልብሴን በማሳጠብ ላይ ነኝ። ነገ that was the lesson we have further about the causative verbs. Do not forget to subscribe this channel in order to get the best lesson out of it for now.